Okay, so we're heading down now. This was the banana patch we had planted almost 2 years ago. I forget when exactly. I'll put the date. I'll get the date down. But I remember this was a wee little patch. And now it's grown. And now we have stuff to work with. But what I really want to show is the amount of cecropias that are coming up. This place was continuously cut back for many years, leaving not just a clear cut, but just easier way to go about managing the land. And then a year ago, we told one of my family members to leave the broad-leaved plants, and of course, Cecropia is one of the first pioneer species to come up. So they've been leaving all the Cecropias, and man, have they been doing their job. So the bananas getting ready to manage. There's a lovely cashew, 2 of them, that have been developing well in the little microclimate that this banana patch has given them. There's a row of lemongrass that I planted. Got a random castor bean. Some of these plants as well to help with biomass. So this is the edge of the property. Keep going. Some sugar cane for biomass purposes as well. Got a nice rack. More sugar cane. This is a I forget the term exactly. It's another broadleaf plant, pioneer species. I think it gives off like a yellow flower. We have some, and I say tuno here, colloquially known as negrito because it gives little black, olive-looking fruits. More Cecropia. So the Cecropias are everywhere, and they're doing an amazing job. Got the Napier grass going. Castor. Look at this behemoth of a castor. Look how thick this guy is. So just tons and tons and tons of Cecropia starting the processes of regeneration. Looks like a mame zapote here, not looking very happy. Gonna put some banana trunks and some biomass around it. Another cashew that came up, thankfully. A lot of the stuff that I planted a year ago looks like I'm having a hard time finding, except for the cashews, because they're very resilient plants. And more cashews. This looks like a capulin tree, but I'm not sure. This is more of that other broadleaf plant. It's kind of similar looking to Cecropia, but it's not. There's a good example of a Cecropia, a little bigger. So if you imagine all these new Cecropia shoots that are coming up will look like that in 2 years or so. Tons more Cecropia. Don't watch my step here. Very rocky here. There's a gumbo limbo on the edge of the property. Another Cecropia. Nice little view. Nice hedge of mangoes, old mangoes that are giving off tons of fruit. It's everywhere. You can hear the fruit flies. Look at that. Nice, massive mangoes. Not exactly sure what this plant is, but really like the structure of it. This is another one too that I like. I'm not sure what it's called, but I like the form and the way it grows. Looks like some sort of piper. Or, no, I don't know. Looks like some weird sort of hybrid of something. Anyways. More cecropias. And yeah, that's about it for the bottom half of the property.